Welcome guys, welcome everyone, good morning, good evening, happy Friday times, are you ready? Are you guys ready? Let's go! Had a bit of a preparation time, checking around the markets, and we have a nice situation here for Nasdaq. Hope you're having a beautiful time, and of course the entire week should have been pretty good so far, right? Could have been better, but certainly there's greatness behind every situation, things to learn, develop, and improve. Life is short. We have to stick with the things that are valuable. At the end of the day, that kind of separates us. And therefore, I'd like to have you on board forever, guys, so make sure you enjoy. Like the video, get to the sign up for the giveaways, sign up right there. We are ready. What do I have to do? Yeah, I have to trade, but in the meantime, I have to share the video with our community members. We're also sharing it on IRM. Pretty much everywhere on all the groups. The giveaway link is in Discord or in the chat. And here's the Discord, which is also mandatory for those of you that are new. You got to join our Discord. Today we're going to continue trading. Let me just update one of my banners. Let me just update one of my banners. What is it today? Actually, today it's 21st. Here we are. Top one has a Black Friday promotion, 57.5%. Big announcement. Coupon code Scramble for the top one futures. Right. Buenos dias. Welcome. Good morning. We're going to continue trading, guys. A lot, especially our IRM account. All the three. IRM, all the three accounts. Let's get to the web platform. That is how we're starting to trade today. And I'd like to see if I can begin with the 50k challenge, the 50k test. 44 bucks. Insanely discounted. A lot of you got this already. But a much better choice, I would say. Good job, guys. A much better choice is out there with the instant funding because it's no payout target. No payout target, instant funded. Right? Good job, Cyberpay. Good job, Cyber. I think today it's going to be a pretty strong day, and we start the next week is going to be bullish as well for Nasdaq. This liquidity grab here was the exact process we needed. I think one of the targets today is the last week's low, 626, right? So there's about 400 points on the table. If we have momentum, we're going to get that. The only thing that we need is momentum. This is a decent place as long as the previous highs convert themselves. It's a decent place to test out something, but I'm not really diving into that quickly. Let me just wait it out a little more. BTC had massive volatility, guys, from $86,000 today. It went down to 80, and now it pumped back to 84. It looks like it wants to completely destroy the leveraged retail. $100 is the buffer for the instant funded guys on the IRM, which is why, again, insane amount of people go for it. My coupon code Scramble gives you 50% discount instead of 40, which makes the account $450. They give it to you at $540. That's $90 per account. You can buy 3. You can actually have 3 active. You can buy unlimited, but you can have 3 active. That's $270 extra discount. No payout target. You need to leave $100 buffer. And basically you need 10 trading days of minimum $150 each. If at the end of the 10 days you have $2,500, you can take out $2,400. You know, if you have 2% gaining, for example, as an example, $3,000 is 2% because it's 150K, right? So you can go out there and request the max payout. Lucid and IRM, the best solutions out there? Correct. 100% correct. We're trading all of that. We're trading all of that. Thank you so much, guys. The Discord link is here, ready to fly. I'm switching to the 1 minute here. I like to go to the other one. Let me just... Where's my... Here's the trading panel. Everyone, make sure to like the video. Happy Friday. Sign up for the giveaways. Yeah. I don't like Trade of It for the moment. Certainly I don't like it. Could be a lot better, but it's not. Russell 2000s, beautiful reaction there. I'm not confused. We just switched to the 1 minute chart here. Oh, it's simple. Market order, limit orders, switching between the accounts. The copy trader is there. You can flatten all your positions. You can drag and drop. So there are some great qualities behind Volumetrica. Web-based. You can do basically... Let me share with you in the dashboard area, guys. So you can just, you know, do your daily lockout. You can edit the risk and have a daily loss limit set up. right? So all these things are available, which are also quite a lot onto Project X. Volumetric is pretty good. We go for the greatness. Exactly. That's right. You can see this way much better. Getting ready for some nice trading. Pretty much everywhere. Lucid, top level prop firm for those of you that are not familiar. Yeah, by the way, if you haven't saw my IRM video, guys, that I posted, you got the link right there. Crypto, the altcoins are getting slaughtered. Guess what, guys? Yesterday we requested $10,000 from Ticktick Trader. All the 5 accounts that we have are paused. Actually, not yesterday. Yesterday we made the money. Today we requested a payout. $10,000 requested from Ticktick Trader. Feels great. Today. Yesterday we accomplished a 7-point. Let me share with you. Pretty simple, right? We're still gonna have $3,400 left in the account. If we start the upcoming cycle with 2 days that are positive, we're having a good chance to qualify for another payout. Yeah. There are risk parameters right now, which I think it's absolutely needed. Testing out a little long here with 3 contracts on my 50k test account. We need basically 1,500 more. That's how much we made yesterday. Putting the stop loss on break even in case there is a rejection here and a reversal. There's no time of being. 500 bucks made already. It was not a bad entry, right, guys? Based on the price action, as usually. I'm sniping into my positions. As usually. Let's go. You know, this is the first eval we bought. And then we have also 2 instant funded of 150k. Those are the big deal. Yesterday we made $200, $250 or something like that. $230 or whatever. Putting the stop loss right below the candle that has been established right now. Keep going, guys. Time to make some money. Oh, we're so close to pass the evil. And we passed the evil, guys. $53,000 in 10. 1,500 exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. There you go, guys. That's what I'm talking about. This is a 44 bucks evil. First evil purchased. We passed it. Incredible. You gotta be nuts. You gotta be nuts with that, guys. Perfect. Perfect price action. Analysis. Execution. Thank you, guys. We made yesterday 1,500. We made today 1,500 as well. Yeah, I've used 3 minis. Perfect. Now I'd like to trade my 150k instant funded. I'm going to turn on my copy trader. You always have to turn it on. Copy trader is on. 624 is the parent account. 625 is the child account. And we're going to look for an entry. Are we going to triple top here? Without touching today's high, without retesting it, 293. Now I think there is going to be a little movement to the upside. And we're going to start with a single contract long here. It's a internal copy trader. Putting the stop loss on my break even, guys. Stop loss. Stop loss on break even. It's an internal copy trader, guys. It's offered by Volumetrica, by the platform itself. So it's integrated. Break even has been touched. We made $10. Yeah, it's nice. It has a trade copier. I'm buying back into this one. 1 second stop loss on break even. And the target much higher. Oh, what happened with my target? I think I switched them around or something like that. I think I moved the wrong button. I still gotta get used to this, guys. It's the second day, but we made $230, right? I mean, I can stop trading because it's the second day. We made 230 bucks. But we have exited a little bit earlier. Let's look into the dashboard and see for the accounts. So here's the P&L, guys. I'm gonna zoom in a little more so you can see it better. Right? You want to click on the table to clearly see on your daily snapshots, and then you have your net P&L right there. Let me just take those texts out so you can see it better. That's how much we made. You know, I can stop trading today as well. It's just 150 bucks needed, and that's it. You know, I can stop trading and we would have 2 days if I stop trading. What do you guys think? Like, I can push this one or stop trading here. Because I got my 150 bucks a day. That's the minimum thing you need to do. $150 a day. %20 consistency. New prop since July. I just started trading with them since yesterday. I did talk with their CEO. They have a brokerage firm behind. And a lot of the people got paid. They're online since July. It's a serious company with serious people, with a large team, with other companies behind them. They're trying to have a unique version. It's working so far. It's making money. I saw the numbers. I spoke with their CEO. I saw the share screen. I saw the numbers behind. So it's fine. I think I moved my... Oh, overlapping on the chart. I hit the evaluation, that's fine. And we also made money here. %20 from the time you would like to cash out. Right? So if from the moment you will decide to request a payout, that is the time you need to have 20%. From the moment you decide to take your payout, whatever. So if you decide, which is why you got to do the math from the beginning or something like that. Like if you want to make 6 grand or 5 grand or 7 grand, just do the 20% from there. Do they have IT people? Yes. Even Mo Saidi, the one I spoke, the co-founder, is an engineer. But they do have IT people. $100 is the buffer. No minimum time. But be careful. Be careful with their rule of news trading. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. There is 4 minutes time window at certain news that you cannot trade. Let me share with you the rules. Economic calendar events. I'll tell you the news you are not allowed to trade. This one's like 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. 4 minutes is the window. If you have trades that are opened before and you're still running them, you're allowed to have them active, right? So if your trade was opened before the restricted window, you're allowed to hold it through the announcement. But you cannot open or close within the restricted window of this event. That's the only thing. For evals, for all the accounts. To me, on my evaluation, it happened yesterday for me to trade on that window, and I got a first violation warning. I got an email, guys. I got a warning. First violation is a warning. Repeated violations, possible account suspension. You know what? I'm gonna be smart and lock myself out. I'm gonna be smart and lock myself out. Out of both accounts, because we are copy trading. I'm gonna lock myself out of this one too. Beautiful. This one has 170 for today. 170 for today, yeah. Great job. That's lovely. So we've made it for today. No minimum time. No. You can do scalping. Three funded accounts. You can win an account by signing up to the giveaways. 3 maximum funded. Totally. Whether you buy an instant funded or you are having funded from the evaluation from the starter. Right? So you have a instant prime, which is an instant funded. 3 maximum. Totally. From both sections, right? But a lot of people went for the 150k. I mean, the drawdown is $6,000. The daily max loss is 4,500. It's insane, guys. And with my code, it's just 450 bucks. I'm sure prices will increase. They cannot remain like this. It's so cheap. That's a good question, Quantum. That's a good question, Quantum. I'll have to reach out, but probably this refers to the United States. Probably, but I'll have to reach out. They are US based from New York City. US based from New York City. Great Trustpilot reviews. We talked about them in the video, guys. They're still at the beginning. Usually in the futures prop firm world, the minimum time needed basically is 5 seconds or 10 seconds for the companies. For some companies, for example, Tap On Futures, which is by the way running their Black Friday, is having 10 seconds. And if you are making money on a trade that you hold less than 10 seconds, that profit is going to be deleted. There is Black Friday right now for Tap On Futures. Scramble coupon code gives you the maximum discount available, 57.5%. They got two different type of accounts, the instant sim funded and the sim pro. Sim pro is intraday drawdown, instant sim funded is end of the day drawdown. It's interesting because for $450 extra on 150K, for $450 extra, you get plus $1,500 drawdown compared to IRM because you have $6,000 there. So just 45 bucks. No, did I set 450 bucks extra? That's wrong. No, it's just $45 extra. If I said 450 bucks extra, it's wrong. Just $45 extra, you get an extra 1,500 in the max drawdown and a bigger daily loss. And you don't have a 6% target. 6% target for the 150K is $9,000 before you can touch your account and request a payout. 9 grand. That's why tons of people prefer today IRM, Instant Prime, 150K. Facing a rejection, BTC above 84, you know, looks like it needed that flush. I mean, certainly for 2 months already, we keep saying that it needs flushes. It needs to... Yeah, top one has an activation fee for the evaluations. Another extremely good... So right now, people, Lucid Trading and IRM prop firm, these are the top choices. Lucid is no activation fee as well. You can pass your evaluation in a day and pays you out in minutes. It's, you know, looking at the platforms you can trade. Ho ho! Look at that. It's just dominating the field right now. A little more expensive, of course. At some point, all the prop firms need to be at this level, like Lucid are. You know, at some point. So if you need that $6,000 drawdown, you got to pay for an account. 450, 500, 520, right? Between 4 and 500, or between 4 and 550 from a prop firm which is delivering top level services. It's not possible to be in any other way, guys, because the prop firm would not have a profit at all. And even this way, they're not really taking the best. They don't have a large edge right there with this values. I mean, they're the minimum possible. Like Lucid is greatly profitable. I'm 100% sure about it, but certainly not making tons of money as profit. They give a lot back because that's the idea of the prop firm, to give a lot back, yet keep sufficiently for you in a minimal way in order for you to survive, thrive. And the big money can only be made if you have mass adoption and large amount of customers. And that's how you develop a successful prop firm. If you keep a very small portion as a profit for the firm and you give back a lot. Yes, that's a very good one. I made a representation for the 25 test. You pay $66 basically. You pay a $66 fee, 5 accounts, $330, and you take a $5,000 payout. Look at this one, guys. So someone just wrote in the comments 10 seconds. It's wrong. Timo, look at this. I just asked the chat on IRM, do I need to hold my trade actively for a certain amount of time? No, you don't need to hold trades for a specific minimum time. However, you must follow our daily closing requirements. All positions must be closed by that specific rule for sure. But people do not need to hold their microscoping for 10 seconds. I don't know why you say that. Timolo. Good day, everyone. Welcome, guys. So no minimum time. The proof is here. Everyone, make sure to like the video. Thank you so much for joining. Like the video, guys. Come on. So targets have been hit on IRM today. We passed the challenge. We passed the evaluation. We made another $1,500 quickly. You know, it's 50% consistency for that. And oh, if you're a slow trader, you do DC a lot, the best for you is the IRM, because you only have a target of $150 a day, and that's just nuts. Happy Friday. The IRM is the best for you. With DCA, with DCing at the right levels, making $150, and you have a large drawdown, 6,000 plus 4,500 per day. Ho-ho. End of the day model. I mean, max 3 accounts. It's a big level, guys. A big level. Yep. We got 3 brand new Lucid 150k accounts. We're gonna get started with a 50k ones for the Lucid. But we got 3 brand new 50k. 150k, sorry guys. So if it's a funded, it's something. If it's an evaluation, it's something else. On evaluations, I'm not that strict. On funded, way more strict. Of course, depends how does the whole thing portrays in terms of the markets as well. So if we speak about a funded, which is a lot easier to comply with, 50k, I mean, it also depends what does the prop firm requires you to not cross. And in that case scenario, you need to tell me like, what prop firm are we talking about? It could be $500, could be $750, depends on your target. This thing needs to be put in a context, right? So a proper response needs a context. Oh, look at a scramble boat for the next summer, guys. Hey, we got a trading board. We need here. I got 2 little girls. One is 3 years old. The other one is 2. Right? So you have to put them on board somewhere around here and playing. 3 years old and 2 years old. 2 little girls. We got a trading board sitting there. No one is looking at the trading desk, right? I'm looking at a laptop. Probably that's turned off. And we're trading. We're making money. Good job. And we're doing the live stream. We're doing the live stream. So IRM 50k. This is private. We got to make it one for a community. You got to do something for the entire community. I see. You want to do something for the entire community. So the 50k. We need a water slide as well. Look at that. Someone just responded us on IRM. Daniel. Look at that. No, you cannot hold a trade for less than 10 seconds. So the AI system, there is a bug, and it's good we've discovered. Look at that. The AI system tells me, no, you don't need to hold trades for a specific minimum time. And then Daniel joins the conversation, tells me, you cannot hold a trade for less than 10 seconds. Daniel, you definitely want to inform your AI system as well. If there's people that held for less than 10 seconds, you want a screenshot, you want to send support live stream. Send them to my live stream, and we've done this real time. So they have approved that, you know, I inform people based on how their support toward me, right? I inform you guys based on how does the official communication comes. But look at that. Daniel comes in, tells us the other thing. You got a proof on the stream. If you have an issue, you tell them on the stream. Tommy, you were right about it. I think Tommy was from IRM. Let's see if this guy is real. You're live on the stream. Say hello to our community. Is he real, guys? Yeah, I'm asking on Discord too, but I do wanted to share with you here from the AI. Let's save Daniel. Let's give Daniel a link so he can see himself, right? Join me. He might be scared clicking that link. However, interesting
Order
opportunity
filled.
here on the 1 minute from the price action standpoint. Putting the stop loss on break even quite quickly as soon as we are, if we are. Could be a double bottom here and a nice runner. What's happening with Project X? Look at that one, guys. Why is Project X doing this?
Order filled.
274, but why are they doing this, guys? I've been moving it a lot higher and it didn't work. Let's see if he's responding something. So let me tell you something very important. Every time you get an answer from the AI, just do a screenshot with it.
Order filled.
Testing out a little short here.
Order filled.
Putting the stop loss on break even. You guys know our price action capabilities of analysis is decent, right? Keep sliding. Our lovely
Order
target is
filled.
waiting for you, and we touched the target, $1,100. That's exactly how much we need. Back-to-back great trading today, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful celebration moments out there. Celebration moments for our Lucid. Fireworks bust. Like the video, guys, for those of you that have joined fresh. Look at that, how we sniped into no trades for 10 minutes. Exactly on the target. Not consecutive for the Ticktick trader. Not consecutive. You can have losses. The giveaway is a little later. Certainly the lag saved me. But I would have moved my break even if I had a chance there. But certainly the lag saved me a little bit. I do agree with you there. Don't be shy. Hey, come on. Like the video, guys. Don't be shy about it. We are printing. Look at my Ticktick trader performance. By the way, they're also running Black Friday, so if you love the points system, the score system right there, you certainly want to go. Just going to paste you the link right now. Yes, always trading the Nasdaq, always, whatever. Maximum 10 accounts at Ticktick. Hello to all watching. Daniel is writing back. Hello to all watching. Apologize for the incorrect response on behalf of the bot. That's what we got from the AI. That's why the AI stocks are going down, guys. Microchips. This is why the stocks are going down. Yes, Ticktick trader payouts are capped per cycle, $2,000 per account. And there is a split on that $2,000. On any value, there is a split. Each request will follow a split structure of 50% cash on Rise, for example, 40% to your live wallet, and 10% commission back to Ticktick. What happens with the money from your live wallet? You're collecting the money in the live wallet till you hit a threshold to be moved on live. The threshold is $10,000. So for example, today I cashed out $10,000 from this 5 accounts. We got 5 accounts here. We copy traded. 10 grand out. 5 grand is going to be cashed in Rise. 4,000 will be moved in my live wallet and 1,000 to Ticktick. I have 4,000. Need 6,000 more in my live wallet, and I'm going to be moved on live with that money. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Of other than central bank. Yeah, you have to be subscribed to say hello on our YouTube. Let me see if I can change that. Also, there's... let me see if I can quickly change the settings with the subscription side. I think you gotta be subscribed to be able to... anyone. Anyone can send the message. Welcome, guys. No, it's not a hard breach. Plus, the thing is, when you have a stop loss touched, in 90% of the prop firms, it's not an issue. I'm no longer trading the live account. I already got to the payout with a trader sim funded. We're back trading the sim funded world. We lost the live account. We're back trading the sim funded world. We already got to the payout. Anton, we had 7 days, 7 points actually here. Yeah, let me rephrase the question. Oh. Welcome, Saidi. Welcome. He's the co-founder of IRM. He's on board with us in the chat. Welcome, buddy. There you go. There's someone asking you about the news 4 minutes window, if that only refers to the central bank towards the United States, or does that refers, for example, to Japanese or US, right? Yeah. So, is that 4 minutes window also applied to other economies than the United States central bank news, right? This one's, right? Because, you know, simply we got the EU, we got the Germany, we've got the Japanese, we got the Chinese, this kind of announcements as well. Or this is just applied basically for the central bank, United States. Only US, no restriction outside of that. Great to know it directly from their CEO, guys. Good stuff. Look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is forcing it. And it's capable so far. And this is a, you know, construction of these in higher lows. We're trading above everything today. And today's high is certainly not going to be anything meaningful. 292 out there. Let's just go into a higher time frame and start discovering things. Discover things. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone, and subscribe for the giveaway. Certainly this is not looking bad. If we get into the 4-hour structure... Pretty intense, right? In terms of the 4 hours, I certainly care about getting back to this point, which is 25,400s. I want to get back to 25,400s on the 4 hour. And then on top of that, once we retrace, so expecting a bounce, certainly above 25,000, and for sure, with high probabilities, not today, next week, and so on. What happens when you retrace from the 25,000 rejection you might get is the big discussion. You shouldn't lose these levels, guys. When you retrace, you shouldn't lose these levels. Very important. 25,300, 24,300s, right? So that would look like this. This retracement 24, 300s, 400s here should not be lost. You know, that's the deep level of retracement, which is certainly not mandatory. You can nicely get out earlier and resume your uptrend. But something that opens the doors for massive bullishness discussion is the breakout of this trending line. That's coming in from the top, so I would love to break out, get stuck at 25,400 here, get stuck there after we break out, pull back to the trending line we broke out and convert that into our support, bounce from it and run higher. That would be the lovely scenario. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate, buddy. You're a great message. Thank you. Look at that one, guys. Prop firm party. Scramble community. We got this. Prop firm party. Scramble community. That's how we're gonna celebrate. What about doing a prop firm named Prop Firm Party? Is that gonna be underestimated? It's not a good name. Prop Firm Party. And this is how we're gonna launch our prop firm. This way. From a booth. With a live stream. Our community invited. I'm a DJ instead of trading. Or I think my community is trading for the prop firm itself. Prop firm party. So I'm resuming my trades on Lucid. This is how it looks like for the moment. This is a lesson. You shouldn't be scared if your first day is red. Basically, this is Lucid Pro 50K. Lucid Pro. And the max loss is 2,000. We've lost 1,200 in the first day. Had a break. I've actually seen that it's better for me to lose in the first day of the account than make money. Any account that I have funded. First day needs to be a loss for me. It's much better. Statistically, I get to more payouts if that happens. So think about it. Guess what? Why is the reason like that? Because I am certainly putting in way more focus into the entire set of needs of trading. Right? So I am a person that wants and loves. So in other words, I could actually reach out after every single account purchase. I could reach out to the support and I could say, I'd like my first day to be a loss. You know, cut some of my balance. Because I'm going to trade much better afterwards. And I'll get to payouts a lot easier. Hey, look at that. We got Marcus. Thank you. You're welcome, Marcus. Thank you for joining on board. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Yes, you do have to hold. Good morning. Welcome, guys. If you got any questions, we got Marcus from IRM support here in the chat. Verification code comes in a couple of minutes. Let me connect my direct accounts. The first thing I want to do, I want to name my direct accounts somehow. The 3 direct accounts, 150k Lucid direct accounts. Let's celebrate. Get into a lower time frame here. That's a pretty bad looking temporary top, right? I'm using what does the platform shows me. Yes. But making a journal is not a bad idea. It's just that I got used to the stats of the websites and I got used to not making a journey. Breakout prop firm is a great prop firm for the crypto space, a lovely one. Today, if you saw that on my Discord, guys, we made $10,000. I talked about it here. We longed Ethereum. It's a great firm. If you pass your challenge, you get funded, you can cash out quickly. It's only crypto related for the crypto community. Good morning, everyone. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. You definitely want to have a lovely time out there and sign up for the giveaways. We're having 4 giveaways today. Yeah, it's a great company for the prop firm space in terms of crypto. Breakout prop. We traded our 100k. And it's much better than going on the futures platforms with a crypto. For a lower price, you get a bigger drawdown. Right, so that's the idea. Yeah, Volumetrica. I'm gonna make a video about Volumetrica at some point, yeah. I'll do a video for Volumetrica, guys, for sure. Great quality people. Still want to trade my top one. There's 7-8 minutes to go and the market opens. I still want to trade my Lucid 150k direct. Big money out there on the Lucid. $3,000 payouts. There's an interesting level out here for
Order filled.
around the 192.
Order filled.
Give me a little bounce. A little bounce. Otherwise, I'm going to cut it. If you don't bounce, I'm cutting you. It's pretty good. Come on, guys. This is another model of trading. Unfortunately, it is similar to a knife catch. Keep going. Putting the break even right now. Now I have to put it, guys. I have to put my break even.
Order filled.
We touch it. So
Order
I could get
filled.
into a little cheaper. Along with another contract here. Re-longing this one on 190s.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Putting the break even. Bring it up, guys. Come on, tap on futures with your Black Friday. You got great promotions. Don't forget about Scramble coupon code. Ready to hit that target for 5. Yep, target has been hit. Whatever amount, it doesn't matter. The target has been hit, guys. 520 profit. There you go. Celebration time once again. Back-to-back profits, everyone. You know our targets here are $500. That was lovely trading, right? I don't put stop loss automatically. I always put my stop loss based on the price action I get. This is how it looks like here. Yeah. Could have been better. Let's see, what does the 5-minute algo? Does. Will it be brought lower? I'm getting to my Lucid. I'm also opening Quant Tower. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. First trade on our Lucid. Lucid instant funded, brand new accounts. We got 3 of 150k. Lucid is a big deal, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
4 minutes short. This level here is pretty dangerous. With that flat top. Daily VWAP. Volume weighted average price there, 135. Daily opening 110. 60, 70 points down from here. Gotta be careful. If it rips to the upside from here.
Order filled.
Adding a little more. I'm happy to make 1,800, which is my target always.
Order filled.
Bring it a little lower, and I'm moving the break even, guys. Come on. That's a nice candle for the moment. That's a nice candle, just a little bit lower so I can go break even. I'm going right now break even.
Order filled.
It has been touched. $54. Prop firm party. So make sure everyone to join our Discord. Mandatory to be able to win the accounts as well. Yeah. No, Lucid is having no problems with that. Lucid. 50% of your profits needs to be held for more than 5 seconds. That's the rule for Lucid. 50% of your profits needs to come from trades you held for minimum 5 seconds. That's the rule with Lucid. If you're a scalper constantly, you want to certainly consider that 10 seconds. Which is not a big deal if you're not trading strongly on sizing. 1 minute to go, guys. Are we gonna rip today? We got a daily opening, volume weighted average price, today's low. A lot of the things sitting below us. Are we capable of ripping? Or do we just test the daily opening here? Grab some of the nice liquidity. We got this wick as well. 120s. Yeah, the official response was here from Marcus, which is an official member of their support. And the opening bell, here is it, guys. We got the market opening.
Order filled.
Testing out a long. Not much, just a single contract. And I'll be going break even quickly if this wants to just, you know, nuke. Look at that, lovely profit so far. 1,800 for the target. Keep going. Keep going. I'm out for
Order
the moment.
filled.
$1,000 made on the opening. On 3 accounts, brand new accounts. Let's go, guys, on Lucid. Keep going, Lucid. 1,000 bucks made on the opening with a single contract. We had no loss today, guys. No loss. No loss today. Guess what? I'm gonna lock myself out from here. It's enough. It's basically 3 accounts, 150k, and they're not cheap. They're $500. So you don't play games with it. You know, it's Lucid. We all know it's a top-level prop firm. That's right. $1,000 to be made there is great money. Let's just take it, guys. Let's just take it and walk away. Thank you. We had no loss today. No loss whatsoever. IRM, all the trades we've done. We passed our evaluation. We made money on the 2 150k instant funded. So you saw that. IRM, all the 3 accounts, profitable. Ticktick trader, we only traded a single, sorry, not Ticktick. Ticktick, we requested a payout today. Yesterday we made our 7 point. Today we requested 10 grand. But Tap 1, we made 520 today, and this is the only account we traded. Then Lucid, we traded the other 50k Pro. We made 1,087 there. And we traded a 3 instant funded Lucid Direct Lucid 1,000 here as well. No losses today, guys. And now I'll take Savius. And for Savius, we have an account that's pretty close to the payout. Are we just gonna break out with this move, guys? What do you guys think about? I've longed it here. We're trading right now on our Savius. Adding more. 271 for the exit. Wow. What a silly... What's happening with this price action? Stop loss has been touched. What a 1 minute candle. Hey. Thank you. I'm moving to my other 4 accounts that I have, which are 3 accounts actually that I have copy trading. Stop loss on break even. Look at the price section. What's happening here, guys? Wow. What a silly price section. Make sure to like the video, guys, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. You got all the links, coupon codes, Scramble, pretty much everywhere. Yeah. Keep going. These accounts are below the starting balance. I'm adding 1 more contract to this. That's a lovely price section, right? Might get the stop loss. BTC is flying. I'm moving break even soon. I'm moving break even right now. Look at that one, guys. Are we going to touch the target and make the money? Keep cheering, guys. Chop, chop. But that 255 is my level. Do not dare not to touch it. Come on. Finally. Finally, guys. Celebration time. 1,500 on this 3 accounts. Great money with Savius. Great money, guys. So we only had our 1,500 touched in one account, and everything else was just making money today. Let me trade some more Ignite. Another Ignite here.
Order
longing
filled.
it. You know, I've risked. Instead of longing from the bottom, I've risked longed from the top. I've longed from the top here. Now, I'm no longer focused, guys. I'm no longer focusing.
Order filled.
It's enough. I'm no longer focusing. We made back-to-back pretty much IRM, Lucid, Savius. Good money. Very important was for me on Lucid to start my 150k accounts. 3 of them that are fresh to start with the right foot. We made 1,000. That's great. We got to do the 6% target. And we'll take $9,000 payout from the 3. And also, these 2 accounts that I have are not in a bad shape. If we continue with a $1,000 day, 2 more days like this, certainly not bad. Certainly not bad. Yeah. How do I get the money out of Ignite? It's a long story. I think I have to produce about 10 grand here because of, you know, this is an Ignite account that was bought months ago in September, guys. It's the first version of Ignite that was with equity stability score. But the thing is, this is a 50k account with $2,000 drawdown, and look at that, for how long we traded this account without losing it. For a tremendous amount of time, tremendous amount of days without losing it. Right, guys, so you see, you have great days, but they always have to stop at the top. You know how we used to say to the sports players, or to the ones that are performing in some spaces, some domains, you want to retire at the top. It's a good decision. You want to retire green for the day, call it a day green, and that's it. Could be between a few thousands of dollars or tens of thousands. Right, so that's the range. The best this year was around 65 in 2 months between Ticktick and Top 1. We were going back to back. A lot of the payouts. But there's months when I pull out 3,000 or 6,000 or something like that. I mean, certainly not at this times in my journey, but at the beginning when I started, we had 2 or 3 months without payouts. Great job. So the idea is for trading on multiple prop firms, like 2 or 3, 4 maybe, you can certainly make that 10, 15 grand a month. So in other words, Is it possible from the prop firm space to make $100,000 a year? What does it mean? There is a big difference between 100 grand profit and 100,000 revenue earnings. It all comes down to your efficiency level, and it's the numbers games. But if you have a 20-30% efficiency level, then it's just about buying more accounts and reinvesting, because the percentage is in your favor and you're making money at the end of the time, right? It helps you. If you're profitable, it doesn't matter how much it costs you. What matters is to accelerate and scale. And scaling is done through copy trader. Look at that crazy algo trading we have here. 250s rejection. This is a miserable algo trading, killing accounts. Killing accounts. Reinvest, grow your portfolio of accounts, be diversified. And of course, you want to go for a long-term reward instead of taking 2,000 out and then instead of spending the majority of that, you reinvest. One thing is you reinvest in your experience, knowledge, and skills. Very important. And do not think you can learn trading without spending money. It's not a place that you can become better without spending money. I don't believe in the virtual demo world. Certainly not. A place where you trade with demo funds. And you certainly cannot go through the discipline side. That is when you trade with real money. Like even the simulated world of the prop firms. We pay for the accounts, so we are involved with real money. It's different. When it comes down to the real money, the implications are different, guys. If you're making money in the demo space, that's not going to give you the guarantee, the certainty, and the probability you'll make money in the real space of prop firms or personal funds. Instant funded minimum days and consistency. 10 minimum days, 20% consistency. Do we got some news today? Should have checked that. Then careful with the volatility. I do have another Ignite account here that I might do some trading.
Order filled. Order filled.
We touched the target, $500 made. It's not bad, right? Money has been made. Good. So we're done with the trading. Now we will focus for the giveaways. Right? Keep in mind, Tap On Futures has Black Friday, 57.5% promotion. Scramble coupon code gives you the best. Good. Time for the wheels. Time for the ducks. And time for fun. I'll let you know what you gotta do. I'll let you know what you gotta do. Welcome guys, make sure to sign up for the giveaway. How to join? Like the video. Everyone go ahead and like the video. Be subscribed. And join the Discord. I'll give you a few seconds to do these things. I'll give you a few seconds to do this thing. First giveaway. First giveaway, $25,000 Tap on Futures Sim Pro account. Between 1 and 9, you can go ahead and start guessing, guys. Between 1 and 9, only one guess per person. Come on, let's go. This is an instant funding account of $25,000 for Tap on Futures. Between 1 and 9, guess the number. Good luck, everyone. And cheese from the Ticktick trader. Look at that. This is our cup. Having my daily Japanese green tea. I've been drinking for a few years already. Constantly great quality Japanese green tea. And I feel like a newborn. I feel like a newborn. Cheese. Yeah. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. No more guesses. We're gonna shuffle a couple of times and we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck. If you joined fresh, like the video, we subscribe. This is the first giveaway. We have 4. Could it be the yellow number 4, guys, or the red number 5? Red number 5 or yellow number 4? I think that's going to be the number 5. We'll stop you here. We'll stop here. Red number 5. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. Time for the Ducks. Time for the Ducks. 27. Lovely winners. 30 seconds competition time. 37 lovely winners. Shuffle. Start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. It's in Japanese. Let's go. Come on. Five. There you go. Someone is pushing. Harsh. Great job. Congratulations, Harsh. You got this. Let me just verify. If you are 225 have joined. That's crazy. 225. If you're part of the form, if you completed your form, let's just zoom in a little more and find it out if you are here. Harsh. There you go. Congratulations. You got this. Good job. Good job. You're confirmed. Confirmed. $25,000 Tap on Future Sim Pro account. Instant funded. Reach out to me on Discord. That's lovely. Time for the next one. We're going to have the same numbers. This is going to be wait. Do not guess anything. Wait. So, second will be 50k Lucid test. Lucid, right? 50k Lucid. Second giveaway. Shuffle a few times, but wait. For those that are fresh, make sure to like the video. You can start right now. Start right now. Come on. If you're guessing before my start command, you have to rewrite your number. 50k Lucid, guess the number between 1 and 9. The same thing, between 1 and 9. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. For those of you that are fresh, you gotta like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. And also be part of the forum for the giveaways. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. I might post a video on my channel during this weekend, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Stop right there, no more guesses. That's it. No more. Shuffle once, we're good to go. This is the second giveaway out of 4. We got that double number 8. That's interesting. That blue number 8. That blue number 8, guys. That blue number 8. There you go. Finally. Congratulations. Hey. That's a good one. So we had 27 earlier. Let's find it out for the moment. 19. 19. Basically 5% chance of winning. You're in good hands. 50k Lucid account. Come on, let's go. You're in good hands, guys. Five seconds to go. Luca, are you taking that? Congratulations. Hey. Luca, let's find it out. Are you on the list? Yes. Luca did sign up. So it is confirmed. 87.97, there you go, 50k account for the Lucid. Congratulations. Time to change the numbers. And time for the third giveaway, changing the numbers. We are changing the numbers. And this is going to be the third, which will be IRM 50k account. You can start right now between 0, 1, and 2. 0, 1, and 2. Guess the numbers, guys. Zero, 1, and 2. 50k IRM platform. Let's go. Let's go. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Shuffle a couple of times. We're good to go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. A lot of the people join on board. A lot of the people. That might be the double number 2 coming up with green and blue. I don't think it's going to be the number 1. It's going to be the number 2, guys. Congratulations, I tell you. That's the number 2. 100% it's the number 2. Congratulations for winners. We got this. There you go. There you go. With the number 2. Are we having around 30, 40? 65. Oh my god. 65, gosh. $65 winners. Ho ho. Best of luck, everyone. 50k IRM. It's just nuts. For your birthday. Is your birthday today? Three seconds. This one. Düsseldorf. Hey, congratulations. Hey, look at that one. Let's see. Düsseldorf is here. Congratulations, buddy. 50k IRM. 50k IRM account goes out to you. Congratulations. Düsseldorf from Germany. There you go. Now it is time for the last giveaway. For the last giveaway, between 7 and 8, this is a 50k Ticktick trader. Guess the number between 7 and 8. Guess the number between 7 and 8. 50k Ticktick trader straight to funded plus. Let's go, guys. Come on. Pretty happy times. Between 7 and 8. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. It's over. A single shuffle. And we're ready to fly. Between 7 and 8, $50,000 Ticktick trader straight to funded plus. We got you on the live. Look at the number 7s out there. But we've passed them. We're getting in a zone that are pretty mixed up. Right? Could be that number 8, that yellow number 8, or number 7 with the red. What do you guys think about with the red? Yeah, we got you with the red. Number 7 on the red. Hey, congratulations for the winners. Number 7. We got this. We have got this. The lucky 7. No surprise. But are we going to have more than 65? 105. Look at that. Ho ho. 105. 105. Oh my gosh. Shuffle once. 105 ducks. That's unheard of. Everyone is going. Number 7. 30 seconds. Look at that. The new old one speeding up. Trond Reco. Yeah, they crushed the number 7, guys. No luck, no duck. Keep going, guys. Lucky 7 is your point today. Come on, 4 seconds. Who's going to speed up right now? Making the difference. Sasa. 73. We got you, Sasa. But we're going to verify if you're on the list. Otherwise, the next ones are going to come through. Let's just verify that, guys. Sasa, are you here? Sasa. We got you. Hey, congratulations, Sasa. Wow. Winning out of 103. Think about it. How difficult. And he made it. So certainly someone wins. Certainly someone wins. It's always like that. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely time, guys. It has been a really pleasurable week. Really pleasurable week. Nasdaq pump and dump, as usually, no surprise. We made a new high and then we just dumped. However, whatever. We're keeping strong. Reach out in Discord. Have a lovely time over there in our community. Scramble coupon code for pretty much everything. Thank you so much, guys, for being with us. We're continuing Monday, having our great times trading, and hopefully some nice qualification, getting closer and closer to payouts, and so on, continuing the journey. Wish you the best, guys. Thank you. Have a lovely weekend. Have a lovely time. We'll talk to you.